lovely Hill fam. This is your girl Hazel V. I'm just kidding, aka Lady E. But no, today we're gonna explore 7 magic mountains. This is actually a land art here in Nevada desert. So this is a really cool place to visit. It's free. There's a lot of people here all the time because you don't need to pay for parking. You don't need to pay, no, like I said, it's free. So you don't have to worry about anything except for the bathroom. For the porta potty, you have to pay, I don't know how much. I guess whatever if you buy something little, even just dollar something, you can use it.
As you approach the entrance, right away, you will see in your left side 2 metal plate stands where you can read about the history of the place, the story of the artist, and the rules and regulations. Please be mindful of your surroundings while walking to go to the attraction. Be sure to respect the cultural artifacts and sensitive flora, fauna, and animal species like snakes. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's a little bit of walk to get to the land art. So I suggest before visiting, wear comfy clothes and shoes, and wear the ones that is already old and dirty since it will get dirty anyways once you get there. Wear sunscreen and or hat. Drink plenty of fluids before the visit and or bring something to drink, especially on summer. Check also the weather temperatures, monsoon, and flash flood warnings prior to your visit. Another thing, there's a security truck that patrols the area. However, be sure before leaving your car, put away your belongings and check all your car doors and windows if they are locked. Beware also of scammers, LLH fam. This is the one and only tour van that 7 Magic Mountains recommended in their website to call for tour reservations. Don't get scammed and never pay anyone because again, the visit is free. No admission and parking fee all year round. 7 Magic Mountains was open for public viewing for free since May 11, 2016 and was originally scheduled to be on view for only 2 years. But due to incredible success since opening, the Swiss artist Ugo Rondinone and the producers continue to work on an extension plan that would enable 7 Magic Mountains to remain on view for several years into future. I decided to come here not to just see the physical beauty that this land art has, but also to experience and feel the artist's message on building this massive and magical land art. 7 Magic Mountains artist is Ugo Rondinone, a Swiss artist that lives in New York since 1997. He said in his interview with Nevada Museum of Art that 7 Magic Mountains is a merging of pop art and land art. It represents continuity and solidarity between the artificial and natural, and between the human and nature. He also said that 7 Magic Mountains is a conchory of air between the desert and the city lights. He wants to represent duality through his arts, and according to him, that it is given when you put something in contrast that it also elevates the other part. Ugo chose to use colors and flowers for his public sculpture because he wants to use something that everyone can relate to, even kids. Universally, if you guys notice, kids love stacking stones and try to balance them. He also expressed that there's a meditation ritual to balancing stones. For Ugo, desert landscapes can really just be interpreted visually and intellectually, but more so through emotionally. So when you guys visit, don't just take pictures or videos, but also feel the moment. Feel the lovely message that the artist wants us to know through his art. Try to even meditate while enjoying it visually with your family and friends. In conclusion, for me, this place is not just about taking pictures of stacks of boulders with colors. This place is really magical and one of a kind, with a spiritual message for everyone to see and feel. I hope that this place will remain on view for several more years. So let's all help this land arts preservation by making sure we are following the rules and regulations and respecting other people that are also visiting the place.
Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing? Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing?
Thanks for watching. If we like, subscribe, and always remember, everything starts with you. So love unconditionally, live purposely, and heal naturally.